Hello guys, this is Shaw's Vlog ST. So nagbabalik naman ako guys. So nandito ko ngayon sa Reflection. Dito ay isang residence or condominium, napakaganda. So ipakita ko sa inyo. Mag-tour tayo dito guys. And join me and stay tuned. Office, clubhouse, that, and there is a grocery store here. This is a new fair price, so very convenient guys. So, ito guys, this is villa. Villa yan. So, yung mga matatangkad na building taas, yan po yung yan, pyramid. Yan. Yan yung taas na building. Ito maliliit na building. Nasa villa po yan. So, ito guys, yan. Ito naman guys, yan yung function room. Yung nakikita yung brown. So, yan yung function room nila. And then, at beside that, paglabas mo, makita mo na yung seaside dito mga yacht. So, let's go guys. Punta tayo doon. We go out. So, guys, yan. So, yan yung seaside. Ito yung pathway. Ito guys, pwede kayong maglakad go through to Haverfront, to Vivo. Ito yung daanan nila guys, kung gusto nilang mag-walk. Yan guys. Ito mga nakapark ng mga yacht. Yan. Yan guys. So, maganda dito. It's very convenient place. Yan. And then, pwede naman kayo dito guys. Ito naman guys na, ito, this way. Yan yung papuntang Labrador Park kung gusto yung maglakad. Yan. So, it's here very safety for the kids. They like for cycling and scooter. They can ride the scooter. See guys, this woman, it's jogging now. Yan. And guys, restaurant din. Yung nakikita yung flag doon. That's restaurant and that's bridge. Let's go to the restaurant. You can ride a bike here. Oh, this is the gym. The other one is Angel. And this is the gym, guys. Yes. itong pathway na to. Ito po yung pupuntang Labrador Park. Pwede kayo mag-short way dito. So guys, yung nakikita nyo doon, yun na po yung Labrador Park. Yung makikita nyo doon. So, meron naman parating na yacht. Pupunta dito guys. Yan. Siguro galing sila doon sa Batam. Yan. So guys, ito na guys. Ito yung back ng reflection. So guys, hindi tayo maka-walk dito dahil na-block guys. Kung saan tayo mag-shortcut way. Dito ay sinarado guys dahil may sira yung dito yung bridge. So yun guys. I think ewan ko, nakikita nyo yun. Yan, yung wood na tanggal, I think may inayos yata. So, ni-block nila for the meantime dahil inayos niya yung braids. So, hindi tayo maka-short way ngayon, guys. So, no choice, kundi mag-ikot tayo punta sa sa main road. So, hindi tayo makalakad, guys. Kung paano tayo makalakad ngayon dito. So, no choice. So, hindi tayo makalakad dyan papuntang Labrador Park. This is the short way, guys, going to Labrador Park. So, the end, guys. So sad. Hello guys, so hanggang muli ang aking video ngayon. So I hope nandyan pa rin kayo lagi na panantilik sa aking vlog at aking channel. So nandyan kayo lagi nagsusupport sa akin, di kayo magsasawa hanggang the end. Mag-grow ang aking channel ay para sa ganun ay makamit ko rin yung aking pangarap, para sa ganun ay makatulong tayo in the future, guys. So please guys, hindi kayo magsasawa sa akin. Nandyan, alam ko na mahal nyo rin ang channel ko at mahal nyo rin ako at mahal ko kayong lahat na nagsusubaybay sa akin, na nagsusuporta sa akin. So hanggang dito muli guys. See you next time, my next vlog. I love you all and God bless, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.